What's up, everybody? This is MG Mojo. Today I got a review of a pretty cool knife I picked up. Let's take a look. What we got is a case Kickstart Trapperlock and bone stag. Yeah, she's a beaut. Check that out. Nice little assisted flick knife. Comes out pretty good. Got the lock right there. Close it up. Nice little belt clip right there. Most case knives don't have that clip, but I guess with this brand here of the Kickstart, I guess they figured it's a good everyday carry knife, and most people want that clip on there for easy pocket carry. Man, this bone stag, man, they did a nice job on that. It looks really nice. Like I said, comes out real nice. Beautiful knife. Stainless steel blade. Like I said, that's bone stag right there. Jigged up real nice. Feels good in the hand. Just a nice knife to carry. Nice classy knife right there. Called the gentleman's knife, right? Case Kickstarter Trapperlock. There you go. MG Mojo signing out.